All right. Ready to break stuff. No. Oh, that's Unreal's not open yet. Okay. So, I think hopefully these are loud. That's about the right volume for the sound. My whole setup changed and rearranged and things, and now I'm like, oh, how do I work OBS? Me personally, I have no idea. Never have. Now let's get this open and then I'll start getting into it. I've been working on like a little thing off stream. I guess I should show here. We're gonna be working on this today. I want to just do some models and do some random stuff. I'm playing around with lighting a little bit, and like doing some other random miscellaneous things since my last stream. I haven't been really had time because Christmas and other things and just life to get too much done here. But we've gotten I spent some time and I've been working on 2 side projects. One I'm not going to show, but and by side projects I don't mean a game, but like a specific just like a one's like a small asset for someone, and then one is a thing I had been working on in the past that I just went in and I started playing around with lighting there as well. Just kind of, it's one of those things where lighting's one of those, like, lighting can make or break a scene, right? So it's something that, like, I personally just don't have a lot of practice with. So, like, I was trying to get a little, like, it's a thing that I never finished that I was going back to. And then I was just trying to, sorry, I'm getting distracted by things. It was something I never finished, and then like I never liked the lighting on it. I posted a little bit in the Discord, or not a little bit, a screenshot in the Discord of the tavern project. This one, I'd worked on it. I want to say last year I started this project, but I never finished it. So like this is what it looks like now after being relit a little bit. And then like if we go back, or I guess I can just go to the folder that has its screenshots in it. See. Yeah, let's go here. File location. So like this is what I had opened it to. Right. The assets aren't the best here, but like I didn't really change like the worst. It's one of those things where it's like by not having proper lighting, it looks even worse. And then it's like, so now if we go to the same spot, roughly, you know, or at least in my opinion, it's a little better lit now. There's still some assets I actually want to come in here and finish, because they go into my other project either way, because they're modeled like still in the style enough, that I actually was using them in the, in my main project that still doesn't have a name. But I feel like that's a pretty great improvement, right? Like this is what early work in progress at this level from last year. And it was meant to be a little short project. I didn't spend too much time on it. So just relighting obviously made a huge difference. Like you can tell, like somewhat tried to light it at some point a while ago, and then like big difference there, right? Like, overall, the feeling and tone, like it captures it a lot better. I still would like to, so I think this is the one asset I didn't make myself, if I remember right. This is based off did I make it? No, I don't even know, honestly. We can tell you, actually. I think I did. Never mind. I was gonna be like, I think this is the one I didn't make, but I think I like based it off another mesh from like Megascans, and then but I ended up making my own thing. But then it's just using like parallax occlusion. It'd be nice to actually come in here. We actually could probably do that pretty easily now with Nanite. Is actually come in here. I think I should have. Let's see if I do. Let's see if we got like a height texture. I mean, I know we have an AO. But did I pack height in there? I'm pretty sure that's going to be height, because that's not metal. And there's a reason it's called output and not... Yeah, I kind of feel like that might be height. So we could technically come in here. I'm not actually trying to work on this, though. So let's see. Maybe we'll work on it. Let's see. Step 1. We're to Nanite. Displacement map. Give it this. I think we can use a pack texture. Let's use that. Magnitude, let's say 1. And then I think this also has to be set to something. And then we have to do trim relative error. Alright, so first things first, this. Oh. Set that to that. So we can see it. Ooh. That looks so funny. Alright. To their temporal reference plane is half. Yeah, what am I using here? I'm using this. Yeah. Yeah, so I use it there. That's how I know it's height now. Okay. Ooh. This is hacky. I don't like it, but I love it. This is called I shouldn't open a project when I'm talking about a project. I should have just showed you the screenshot and moved on now. But me, being me, I have to be like, okay, you know what? We might as well try this. Yeah, I was gonna say I didn't have to. I didn't. What's it called today? Yeah, it's automatically UV to that. Oh, you know what? That might be it. Now let's do this. Let's go magnitude like 10. No? Wait, what is this? Move maximum. .1. Do something insane. Okay, so it is there. In some manner. Might be the trim. This might freeze. Oop, there we go. Alright, so now we set back to like 10. As you can see. Whoa. Whoa. Why is it doing that? That's kind of interesting. Interesting. Oh, and then the instance height. Okay, and then the wait, what are reference plane of 1? Okay, that might help clean it up. So now instead of using, because then it all goes down from the center. Also lighting in here is insane. So now I'm wondering why it does that though. Why is it not? I wonder. Whether sort of interesting. Be nice if it didn't disappear. I mean, that looks just as good as the in my opinion, it looks just as good as the parallax occlusion one. Just better because it looks an actual mesh. So this interlaps with it. How's it going? It's going good. How are you doing? The tall Don? Tall, I'm imagining. Hopefully. That's interesting though, that's doing this. There must be something in the way that it's set up that it's like, I wonder if it's flipping. No. It's gotta be something with like the bounds or something. Like it's doing something weird, obviously. Oh, you know what? Let's do that. Didn't realize I was still plugged in. Doing all right. That's good. I opened this project. I was going to just show it off that I had been changing the lighting and stuff, and then it was just like, apparently not. We're just going to edit it. Is that what it was? It was the pixel depth. Yes, it was. Nice. Yeah, see, that looks a little cleaner than, because it's actual displaced geometry now. So now the angle that I'm at won't matter so much. And we can actually, you know, things will be placed on it. We could I'd probably would want it flattened, which we could do that by doing that trim option that's available. To add less detail in places, and then we would just also lower it less. But I think overall it came out nice. I actually really like the if anyone's using Nanite and hasn't tried doing that, where you just import your height map, it's worth it. There's still some tools missing because like they showed it off with the Fortnite. Hey, god damn. Thanks for the resub, Burr. Hope you're doing well. Alright. But yeah, like they showed it off with the Fortnite. Like the sip emote. Yeah. I gotta work on more. They like doubled the amount of, so like that's my goal for the New Year's. And like I obviously want to stream more overall. They added more. I have like 3 open slots, if not more. But like they doubled the amount of animated slots we had. And I've only ever had 1 done, even though I had like 3 slots. But now I have 7 slots. And I have like 4 more slots I can do for the tier 1, like normal emotes. It's one of those things where I don't really have a theme overall for a lot of this stuff. So it's like, I guess I could make some more Milo emotes. And it's like, like most channels build it off like an inside joke or something or other things. And I'm like, I don't stream enough. And it's also just, we're a different kind of stream because it's Gamedev. So it's hard to be like, let's build a wrench. Who wants a wrench emote? But yeah, there we go. Yeah, that looks a little better. Now it's not like stretching so much. It probably would be better if I just used like a straight up height map, but I honestly don't even know if I have any of that. Let's see. Oh, so this is cool. What is this? Texture source resize. These are new options. What is this? I'm discovering new things. Oh, that is awesome. That is just built in right here now. That's not I didn't enable that, did I? That's a new thing, right? We can just reduce by size right here rather than going to like in it. Oh my god. No, I always look in the wrong spot though. I need to find. Did it show an explorer? No, that's the U asset. They've given a few more. Yeah, it must have been. I mean, I'm on. This is the source build, so it must be new. I did see something the other day that looked really cool that I wanted to check out. It's view source location. That's what I'm looking for. I always forget, and I click on these instead. So yeah, source location isn't there. But what is this called? It's called red brick. I can find that. I moved drives last year after working on this, so I know it's here somewhere. This should be sculpt. This should be materials. Red starts with an R. Hopefully. Unless I spell it, then it might not start with an R. It doesn't. It's in a folder called Stylized Brick. Yeah, so let's try to just import just the straight up height map. That is a different mesh. Same name, different mesh. Because, yeah, that's not the same mesh. Or not the same texture. Good job. I saved over the same thing. Perfect. Oops. Well, that happens. That's fine. It doesn't matter either way. It's good enough what we have. This is just a side. Like, I literally was opening this just to say that I've been practicing lighting. And I showed the before and after of this and the other one. What was it? This was it before I worked on it this last week, and then I relit it. Made it a little cleaner. Let's get back to good stuff. So I'm hoping to release that. I'll probably clean up the meshes a little more, and then I'll release the actual like project. Hopefully, I always say that, but we'll see. I at least want to post screenshots from it. I still need to finish and upload the. I started doing the video on the enhanced input stuff. And So I hope to release that. At this point, it was one of those things where I'm just like, at this point, the content examples have what I wanted to release anyway, so they're faster than me. Loading the wrong one. Cool. All right. Let's work on something new. So, my thought was... apparently nothing. I have no thoughts. No, I've got a couple ideas that I want to do. We have to get it better. If we're keeping the town, we got to start wrapping everything like we were, and like making this more like a street type thing. But I wanted to do, there's a couple ideas for like little objects on the street. So we should do like a soda can. Let's do that. So let's do, oop. Hello. Goddamn. But yeah, what's everyone been up to? Hopefully y'all ain't getting into too much trouble. And have been being productive. At least a little bit. Those are the rules. If I'm not productive, you have to be. So you guys better always be productive. Oh, let's see. We probably should like show the literally anything. Not really. Damn. Breaking the rules over here. Probably shouldn't make anything much smaller than that. Alright. Let's just do can. Hello? Props. Whoa. Oh, God. Blender. Why do you do this to me? Wait, why is it not visible? Oh, because the side thing was it. Okay, cool. No, I mean, it's winter, honestly. I get that for sure. Whoa. Something weird going on. It's like, there we go. No? It's like the camera was a little off there. But yeah, no, I mean, I've been freaking just, I mean, it's crazy because obviously every single person around you is trying to do Christmassy stuff and fighting with gas. Yeah. Gas and UI stuff, yeah. I gotta do UI stuff. Honestly, like, me doing this is me avoiding UI. Right? Like, I wanted to, there was some, like, gameplay stuff I wanted to implement. But, like, I want to have, like, a UI on the screen so that I'm not just randomly hitting a button. But then it's like, then I gotta do UI. We probably should make that a little thicker. Or it needs to, I guess, go the opposite way of where it, like, caves in. Something like that. I don't know. None of this is important. This isn't even visible to the player. You think they can see this? No. This is how big that's gonna be. This whole can. This is how big the player's gonna see it from the camera. No, just in case it goes in the UI or something. Who knows? That's what soda looks like, right? Now let's do this. Let's go give it depth there. Bring this down a little bit. Bring this up. Whoop. Yeah, UI stuff's weird. There was something the other day I was honestly, that's why I was saying, like, I think I'm just gonna release the like template stuff and like be like, yo, look at the freaking content examples at this point. So it was like one of those things where like in my head I'm like, oh, I want to make this fancy, you know, tutorial for people that adds tons of examples, is complete, you know. But then it's like, God, so much to do. All right, cool. It's probably like half the density of this. Epic doesn't even do that, right? Like, well, I wanted it to feel complete, right? I wanted it to at least cover everything that I did, or that you can do a little bit. Like, you know what I mean? So it's like, but that is true. I like your answer though. Like, Epic doesn't even do that. Like, yeah, maybe I shouldn't. All right, so this will be like do this, where this is the color. Oh, where's the? I always forget. How do I go to the object in here? It's the button I don't have, huh? Yeah, it is. What freaking thing is? Which one's going insane that it can't be a straight? There we go. All right, we'll make this like. It can be this little. You know, we'll use these fun colors down here. We haven't used them enough. What? Seriously? I selected the whole thing. Well, that's because I'm in inset. Did I make a random inset somewhere? No, more. Why can't I select? What the heck is going on? What the hell did I do to this mesh? Merge by distance. Why can I not? What is wrong with this one? let me double check some things. What the? What does this thing think it's doing? Oh, I guess here, let's just one scene. Yeah. Mark scene. Okay, there we go. Maybe? You know what? No, it didn't. Huh. Blender's acting up today. What the hell? Did I like... What the? Oh, man, I must have. It's because it was on the. Like, what the? Okay. And then let's do something like this. Let's go. We'll literally create a little lid out of this. Boop. 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 And then this can auto triangulate all day. But it should just be literally do this. Like this. Opposite. Unwrap. And we will go with some metal looking color. Yeah, it's what had happened was I had it on inset or something when I was selecting it, and it apparently like created something inside. We'll do something like that, and then for this one we make it darker, lighter. I don't know, something like that. That's good enough. For what we're doing, that's good enough. And then for this, we'll just, shouldn't we just be able to do like, boom, select, fill, grid fill. Those are two different grid fills. Okay, either way. Fine then. Boop, boop. I need to learn like the shortcuts in here because I know they exist. That you can like hit the next thing and it selects this, like the thing it just did. Like the iterate over. Because I've seen it done in like tutorials and different things, and then like I always forget to look it up. Especially with the select, because there's one where you could like do like 3ds Max and stuff where you go like boom boom, and then you say like select. Like I don't know if it's similar. I don't know what it is. It's like select more, but instead of selecting that, I think you just, oh, hold on. You just press, oh wait, what? Oh God, that filled it in. Your blood C is 4, yeah. It's not F. It might be like Shift F, maybe? Shift fills. But I know it's something like this because it like you can do like these where you just edge. You do like the rest of the loops, right? Like I've seen that. Maybe Shift F? No? Okay. But I'm glad I'm not crazy and that you think it's a thing. So it probably is one. And now my let's see. Selects next active? Oh, that's what it is. So what was that shortcut? This is how we learn things here. Select next active. So it's control, shift, control, numpad. I don't got a numpad, game. Can I hit this numpad? Nope, I can't. That's a different F. I mean, that's a different plus. God damn it. Well, at least I know what it is now. I could. Oh, can I do this? Can I go select? Boom. Quick favorites. Now I can just. Boop. Oh, didn't do it again. Are you in? Let it. No, I'm not. Let's see if it actually works, though. Boom. Boom. Yeah, it doesn't. Come on, Blender. What if I hit up here, though? Would it do it? Select snack back. Okay, so it doesn't work on the quick select bar. Stupid. Wait, I removed something from there. Don't know. I don't know what it was. There is a way to emulate it, huh? Is there? I knew there's an emulate 3 button. I've never hit the. I'm gonna be honest. I opened Blender and never, ever, go into here. These are scary settings. That's how I break things. I know you can emulate 3 button. Emulate numpad. Main. Okay, cool. I should do that because I never hit the buttons up there. Because I don't like the whole switch to viewport. I'm a very visual person, so I always do like the... I think that's what those do. I don't even know what those buttons do. Don't ask me. Alright, so now it's da-da-da. Nope. Wait, what was it? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Hold on. Is it... Yeah, I just hit the wrong button. Nice. Oh, thanks for the advice, guys. Look at that. I feel like I'm all powerful now. Honestly, I didn't even know that was a button that you could just emulate. I thought there was only the other thing. The emulate. Here, let's do this one too. As a darker. Because then you get that little bit of, like, it's a shadowing effect. Maybe this one. Yeah, then it's kind of a emboss. Like, oh, yeah. Should we make like little icons on here? Should I scope creep? Is what I'm asking. Should I? I guess. Should we make a couple of these? Or I guess we could technically. So. One thing I haven't done yet is like make it a... We could make a material that, because these are a fixed size, it just moves a masked area over by 1 or whatever by custom primitive data. I say that it's 1 and then you look at these and you're like, those are not 1. They are all one size, except for the ones I added inside Blender, okay? They're even-ish. Alright, let's name this. Alright, where are we going? We're gonna go... assets model. Boop, there we go. Content models, props. We'll just do this and name this segment underscore can new, because we'll make one that's like destroyed, right? And then also I need to tell it to do something, and I forgot what it was, so I'm not going to be doing that. No, when we come in here, I need to tell it not to create the mesh, or not import. Yeah, do not create material. Okay, we did set it to that. Good. Cool. Models. Look at this advanced modeling we're doing on stream. No one else is modeling crazy advanced models like these. It feels so weird, like, trying to make things simplistic, okay? It is not something I'm yet used to doing. Like, I will always, I think, just kind of grab on it and just joke around about it. Okay, cool. I mean, literally, I think the object's literally too big, and like this is the detail we're gonna get from it. So it's like, I don't gotta worry about those edges, and that's something I just as a someone that cannot make things terribly needs to remember. I mean, I guess we have the. Let's see. This is technically the closest we'll ever see it. I think we're fine. Like, compared to everything else, looks like it blends in. Perfect. I need to fix that mouse stuff. Oh, I was experimenting with, I think I didn't save it. Yeah, I didn't save. I had made, like, I had actually, kind of like this. I think I showed this on, oh. Perfection. Nice. Cool, 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 cool. God darn thing. Alright. Let's do this. We're gonna go this, and then we're gonna do a drinky drink. Boop, boop. Maybe too much. Drink like that. Probably, let's do this properly. Hold on. And duplicate. Because I already know I'm going to have to come back to this in the future for some dumb reason. Like, and I'm going to regret it. Broken can. Like, oh. Yeah, I gotta update. I gotta figure out what's causing that. I probably just need to update that. Or I haven't done it in a while. Okay, let's just double check that. It worked. Okay, metal. Okay, yeah, we don't need the gradient on there. Yeah, that's so tiny the shadows don't even work. Okay. So let's just do this. Boom. 90. Down. Ta-da. And there's gonna be like a little crushed can. That we won't even be able to tell it's crushed. Because it's tiny as heck. And there's gonna be just random litter. And new. And brush. Ta-da. Same thing. metal. I was going to like overcomplicate it is the word I was going to finish that with. You know, obviously. We can't just have a crushed can. We have to have an artistically crushed can. It's artisanal, okay? It's the finest of crushings. Oh, yeah, look at that crush. Oh, my God. I'm ridiculous. Okay. Leaving. Let's just do like a little unwrappy. Get that in there. Okay, now I want to do straighten this out. Okay. Attempt to straighten it out. Attempt to straighten it out. There we go. Come on. Come on. There. There we go. And let's just go like this. And we'll just... Oh. Flip that around. Go like this. Wait, shouldn't that be... Oh, I'm super late. Okay. Did it need it? No. Did we do it? Yes. Does it add to anything? No. No, not at all. It's not a waste of time if we enjoyed doing it. Or at least that's what I lied to myself and say. Okay. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It looks... That's an award-winning crushed can right there. Let me just double-check that it updated first before I say that. Yeah, award-winning. All right. Bam. We have drinks now. Cool. Because basically what I want to do is, like, you know, just spread random garbage everywhere because it's a beach. And people are terrible. All right, so from there, oh yeah, I forgot if this was on stream. I don't think it was. It might have been. I think part of it was. It probably was. Be honest, there's times where I'm doing stuff and I'm thinking like, oh, I should start a stream, and then I just forget, and then I forget that I didn't stream. For, you know, a month. It's super helpful, obviously. Okay, cool. So that's 2 little props that we did. Yeah. I need to start filling this out a little more. Like getting a little ideas of what I want. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna go into here. We're gonna go... Let's break some stuff. No, I want to work on something else, like a different area type of thing. What I think I'm gonna do is we're gonna work on something new. Let's do something else. All right. So they've got this thing. They call it Let's do a curve. Let's find that curve, because apparently it's on here somewhere. Oh, it's right there. There we go. hidden already. Master of Disguise. Okay, cool. Boom. A little extreme, guys. Let's just... Whoop. Alright. So... Let's just make a curvy curve thingy. Curve, like curves. Something like that. Right? Look at that. It's a curvy curve thing. That curves, yeah. Like this. Boom. Right, and then we do a how do I do that? And then from here we go curved I think we just do like a circle curve, right? We do I'm trying to remember history in my brain. How does this work? 90 somewhere. Right, and then we can tell this to use this, right? Oh, they're part of the same curve. Oh no. Curves are curved. Curves are too curvy to curve. No, I think it's in here somewhere. Let's go here. I know there's like a I gotta have this selected and do it like select object curve to mesh. Like there's something like that, like mesh from something. Mesh from curve to mesh. No? Okay, not in that mode at least. Let's select that. Select. Yeah, I thought we could like convert. I forget how to do this. Extrude, curve, and move. Extrude. I mean, I know we can make this what's called modifier. Here we go. Might be under this. Is that what I'm thinking of? Was I thinking of one of these curves? No. Okay. Maybe I was. I don't know. I thought there was like a... Sometimes I forget what I'm doing. No, I thought there was a convert curve to something. Let's see. I'll just search it. It's Blender curve to mesh. Yeah. Select curve. Right click menu. Has it been here the whole time and I just missed it? It says it's in the right click menu. the handle type. Reading is hard, so it makes sense. Adjust extension. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. It's just in the thing. To mesh. Right? And then now this mesh. Now this is a mesh, right? And then what's this? Okay, I don't know what happened now. Is this a mesh? Okay, so okay, I did convert it to a oh. So it is converted to a mesh. But now I know for a fact what I was doing, it does do something. Geometry. No. Convert. Let's just convert it back to a curve. It's a curve again. Enjoy that. Aha. We made a curve. We made a second curve. No, can we do it? I thought there's a way to like use the second thing as thickness.
In search for a curve, we're going to be turning a curve into time. Go ahead to rotate, extrude value up a little bit so you can see.
Oh, this, okay, it is a thing. It's the shape thing. Okay. It's part of here. It's part of the built-in thing. I'm just idiot. I forgot about that part. Yeah, we got to remember that part. It's always easy to remember. It's always easy to forget. Okay, cool. So the temper object. And the object. Do this. Is this. Right? Offset. No. Okay, cool. And then we do X1. Okay, resolution. No, where's the 2D? No. Oh, that it did something technically. Okay, so round. Okay, there we go. And then the taper. Now we don't need crazy resolution. Oh, sorry for the ad rates. It's starting for someone. Yeah, and then this is supposed to be this. And we say boom. No? Okay. We don't say boom. No boom. Multiply? No. Yeah, I was hoping we would do that and then There we go. It is. It is. Okay. It just doesn't work like I thought it does. Okay. Of course it doesn't. No, it's not a straw for the soda. Oh, it could be though. No, I was trying to just do a random like plant type of thing or something. Oh. Yeah, no, I definitely did the things wrong, huh? I don't know how it's supposed to taper off. Oh, it's not even selected now, huh? Wait, is it? I'm so lost and confused. Override? Okay. Okay, so that one's the outside. Outside. No. It's not like... I was hoping I could like figure this out. It doesn't matter. I can manually adjust this. None of this matters. Wait, I got the wrong one selected now. Oh god. And then let's just do smooth. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, no, I was just gonna do random like plants and stuff and start working on that side of thing too. Because my brain went, let's make a little plant. That's different than the one we have already. Fill caps. Probably don't have to because, oh, hey, can I do this? Are you gonna work? Now, which side's what? Ooh, that's kind of cool. That's the profile of that. Okay. I don't want that. No, I want to do the other thing. I want like start, end. That's what I want. And that's why I was trying to do the taper. Fill. Stretch. Bounce. No. But it doesn't want to do nothing. Add. If I have it on add, will it, I don't know how it's adding to anything. Okay, that's insta big mode. Okay, let's just stop. Let's stop. I can do this forever. Let's just convert this. Convert to mesh. Oh, it really made a mess there. I'm just thinking if my answer was like, of course, it's straw. What else would it have been? Right, short boy. I probably could just steal a mesh like this, honestly. For my other project. This is just supposed to be like some little thing in the middle of some leaves and stuff. Oh, that was weird. Wait, why did it? Oh, okay, there we go. I'm like, why did it go there, not the? Okay. Come on. Oh. This is what we call good enough. And then let's do mark theme. And then merge by distance. Just in case for this last thing, you know. Andres Perez, okay. Oh, you know what? That might be. Let's see what's happening there. And then whoop. Whoop. And then like. Because overall, these need to move like closer. That's fine, whatever. Either way. Oh, I have a random thing selected. Clear seam. I keep forgetting to add it there. Cool. Wrap. Ta-da! Now we just. Yeah, we should do that. We should, where's this? Where's roughness is 0. Like always almost. That. Like ooh, I kind of like that for our plant. Looks cool. Do some leaves. So honestly, I probably should just like paint one, right? Like do like this. Where's the button I'm looking for? Going to we're doing everything in Blender. Who needs to leave now? Now we're just gonna do white. How do I flip flop these? Flip the floppies. Okay. What do leaves look like again? No, something like that. We should probably like actually make this, but you know what? Not today. I was gonna say we can do some random. Then we can just use this to trace on, but I think I'm just gonna do this. Watch. We're gonna be dumber about it. I mean, smart about it. Small vine plant. Plain. No, we're doing dumber. I mean, yeah. Okay, cool. We just do that, right? Who needs what's it called? Not us. Not us, I say. You don't need no planning. Let's say average leaf, something like that. Alright, and then let's go. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Boom. So it's about the same size. Now let's do this. Boom. Let's go boom. Boom. Oh, no? Okay. Now let's go that. And then let's go this. Oh, I like tiny. Let's grow that. Alright, so now let's go here to here. Grab. Yeah. There to there. Hello. All right. We should do one that's not all curvy. And one that is. Okay, let's go like this though. Let's go. Let's waste some polygons. Whole plan. Alright, cool. Alright, let's do this again and then. Oop. And then let's do something like this. From here to here. Which side's gonna stick up? I guess this side. It's gonna be like this, right? Like whoop. So ear to ear. Bevel. And then let's see where we literally select the last side, please. Cool. Merge. Center. Go. I don't know. We're making a weird plant. That's what our goal is. Is it working? Yeah. I guess technically we can move that up. Or this part up. How do we fix that? I don't know. We'll fix it later. For now. How big is this thing? Where's the ladder? Okay, cool. I was like, for now this is like a teeny tiny little thing. All right. Main. What is this? Why not? Whatever the heck this is. Alright. So let's go back from props. This is definitely nature. Small. Small vines. Vine plant. Do some spikes on it. What if we do this? Change the colors to be. That could be fun too. Go green. That's why I was building this out, so we could just. Fun. Need some more reds. We have more like these like peach colors, more so in gray than reds. Like that's not bad either. Ooh. All right, so let's here nature. Plants. Nope. Small vine plant. Hey, okay, that's about what I was hoping for. Go main. Main. Gradient. Not double-sided. Okay, cool. So we need to say we could also add thickness to this. We could technically just have it be an actual 3D model. This this thing here. Instead of having to do double-sided. I mean, I'm already doing it. It's already terrible the way I'm doing it. But we should do this. We should let's go here. Let's derive. We actually need a different one because we need world position offset, huh? Which I think I have one that does world position offset, or no, the world position offset's not based on this one, right? Let's see. I might not have ever saved it. World position offset. Oh, that just has a set color. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. So let's do this. Plant. this. We can change some stuff up in here if we want, but I think this is probably good anyways, because this one can actually have roughness values. So let's give it a roughness. Convert to parameter. Roughness. I almost feel like saying we should like take this, either do a cheap contrast on it or something, or like just take one of these. Like take a channel like this and use this for roughness. Really, we could just make a second UV channel. And that's probably what I'll end up doing. So that we can still color it simply, but then like have it where there's some actual roughness applied to the mesh. Same with normals, because plants might get that. And then for now, we're just gonna do a simple grass. For the world position offset. Boop, boop. And I'll update this later because I don't feel like doing it. And then pixel depth offset. Probably should be something we add on there as well, for sure. We need to, let's see. Do I have a? Sorry for anyone on Twitch. You got an ad. I didn't see it in time. Oh, you might have one, I should say. It does it automatically. Like I have it set up on the timer. It should warn you guys. I do apologize for that. There's nothing I can do on Twitch. I know I'm streaming to Twitch and YouTube right now. But I still gotta let them know. Just a thing at the moment. All right. What am I looking for? I'm just literally clicking buttons because I can't think. Oh, I'm looking for. There should be a material function pixel depth offset. PDO. Oh, there isn't. Unsure of things. I guess I don't have that much stuff in this, huh? Okay, then it should be oop. Think this should work? I don't know. I don't even necessarily need it. With the distance we view everything at. You know, we technically don't need dithering, and it's expensive for nanite. The nice thing though is oh yeah, I need to add more than the. Okay, I thought that was my other world. Basically, I have a version that does a little more. Let me. Yeah, that one does not do it. Okay, so it's gonna mess up the whole mesh. Cool. Let's just get rid of it for now then. I mean, that mesh is obviously temporary. Hopefully temporary. No, it's not temporary. We all know I'm never deleting it. I was gonna say, like, we all know that's temporary. I'll replace it eventually. But I mean, let's just be honest with ourselves now, right? Might as well. If you're gonna lie to yourself, might as well Like, that's not. We should do this. So object-based gradient, but we're gonna use a mask. So we're gonna multiply this by this. So now the bottom of the gradient. So like that's why this has two outputs. Is one's a simplified mask, and it basically makes a gradient from the bottom of the object only. This way we can cut it off from the bottom because that doesn't need to be moving on a plant. And then what we'll do is what else do I need to do then? This is a plant. Two-sided. That's what I meant to do. Some of this stuff I want to see, like, I almost want to see what it feels like to do, like, the, I'm displacing that. I forget if we need the, no, it's not this, it's the other one. There's, like, a new setting to, how much your world position is going to move. So it might just be world. And right, like, so this is like 1. Okay, cool. That way we can get a little bit of movement in there. And I'll end up, we all know I'll end up updating this. It looks ugly. And I'll move it 18 more times. But this needs to get rid of, we need to get rid of collision on this. For now. And then probably, do I have player? Mask from player. Oh, what is this? This is, I feel like this isn't something I made. I feel like this is something I made. It is. Okay, cool. What is this? Okay. Radius. Cool. I didn't realize I did that. Additional worlds. Offset. Oop. Radius. Let's say 50 for now. Is foliage. Are we actually using this? Use object. Yeah, we need to. That's if it's foliage. It's like foliage asset. So for now, we'll do yes. Hardness. That should just be a number. I think both these need to be true. Is object and foliage, right? Because otherwise, we're just getting an object position. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Oh, dang it. Okay. Oh, you know what? Then yeah, that's not the right thing, huh? This is just the mask. Okay, I understand. Okay. Can I see where these are used? I probably actually combine this somewhere useful. Oh, do I have my grass in here still? Hold on. Grass. That's where it's from. It's from somewhere useful. Or more useful than this. Okay, camera fade, all that. Nope. Foliage, distance grow. We don't need that. Really, I was trying to copy this. For additional. We'll grass wind. And the additional, oh, is our, do we want that? Maybe. You know what? Trying to think. So like this rotates slightly. Basically. Like this isn't done the same way the other one is. Even though it still uses just simple grass wind for the movement. I then on top of that have an additional movement that we do. I'll select all of it. We can have this for everything. It's fine. Yeah, this isn't the right mask. I mean, it's nice as it's a function, but let's just do this. Bam. Global wind intensity. Okay, cool. And then add that instead. This, delete this. We might need some stuff, but we'll see. Oh. Nope. Nope. Yeah, it might move a little weird at first. Let's see. Yeah, it does. But it should make it where it actually makes itself more visible a little bit. Based on the camera. Well, that is looking weird. But yeah, we have to player offset. Let's see what that grass is set to. Oh, I guess the grass would be set to that, huh? Let's see what grass instance is set to. Yeah, this is what we need right here. Okay, so distance keep 100. Offset 33. And then right. This is how far it goes down. And I think that's it. This other one. The other ones are some random stuff. Yeah, the max tilt. Tilt amount. Okay, so this says tilt amount minus 1.5 minus 1. That will have to change because that tilts it. Basically, what I do is I tilt the vert slightly towards the camera, to make it, or away from the camera to make it where you actually get more depth of the plant. And then max tilt is 45. Okay. There's a talk from I think Horizon Verizon. I was about to say Horizon Verizon Dawn. Horizon Verizon. No, Horizon Zero Dawn. That's like a GDC talk or something on their grass. And I basically, that and the God of War talk, I do some stuff similar to Why is the top moving? Or it's the opposite. It's the opposite day. I mean, it doesn't matter either way. That's something I can worry about later. That's fine. It's fine for now. Oh, you know what? It's because it's grass. Because I'm a dum-dum. That's why. No, we can, actually, should just be able to add this here. And then get rid of this add here. And then this is the, okay, yeah. Because this, I think, is just the, if I remember right, this is just the back and forth. Yeah. So that was like testing stuff. Because I was going to get rid of the simple grass wind. So like this would be for like trees that sway over time. Like that. All right, and then I guess we still, yeah, we still want this, and then just do the mask, multiply this. Look at all the things moving. Ooh. But not I. Okay. Interesting. That's something I'll have to look into. I'm not worried about it yet. Let's explore. Yeah, the goal is to have a lot of explorable space here. We'll see. Okay. I just realized I don't know where my phone is. I'll be right back, actually. Okay. Whoa. I almost wonder if it'd be worth doing like a simplified plant texture. You know? Like, and by that I mean like, maybe even a plant curve, where we handle everything based on a curve system instead. But I don't know. Because honestly, it's one of those things. Curves are pretty easy to handle. Where we could just say, hey, like, it's something I actually wanted to do anyway, like, not for plants, but in general, is I was looking at some stuff and I was realizing, like, it'd be really nice to, there's certain things that we do that we could just do with, like, a curve. So, like, to feed certain, types of, like, to color certain things, right? Like, to, we could literally just have a curve for some stuff. Sorry, words. That way we could, like, for instance, say, like, on this mesh, we're gonna use a mask. And it might be something that I don't necessarily do for this project, but do in the future. But it's something that I kind of did in the past. Except I didn't do it like on my other project. I didn't do it like widely. But we have it on a few objects in my main game where I basically have the color of something set by a curve. That curve then can be set by a mask. So, like, we could use literally a simple lerp, right? That's not can crushed. Ruh-roh. Wait. Oh, this whole time? I did not realize this plant is called can crushed. I forgot to rename it. That's funny. Static mesh, small vine plant. And then we're gonna actually copy that so I don't have to retype it. And then select both of these, even if they get deleted. I just don't want them to be called small can in here. Can't I rename? How do I rename this? There we go. But basically, right, so we could do it where one pass is like a global pass over an object of something, right? Of our curve. And it could just be to color it, right? And then one uses a mask. To decide stuff. I don't know though. It's something that's like I don't want to change the way I'm texturing this now, but we'll see. I mean, really, I need to stop making objects for this and just make a game. But that's another story. Okay, cool. So I was thinking. I was looking at them the other day. I think I want to make this these assets and bring them in. There was like a stylized project we got a while ago. You know what? I wonder if we just use the. I don't know. I'm trying to think, because I know we have... So, let's open this. I'm trying not to make stuff if I don't have to, right? So something I want is, like, trees and stuff that we're going in between, if it's going to be a habitable planet. And I know that we just got, like, not just got, but I know we have, like, these trees. But I feel they're a little too realistic. Except for, like, the pine trees, and we can basically just strip the color off them. And then we also have gotten... There's another stylized... Is it this one that has pine trees in it? This one also has pine trees in it. I don't like these ones. Yeah, it's this one that has like a tall pine tree. And I don't know if I want that or just do these simple ones that we were doing already. Or third option. If this loads. By the way, I figured out what the nanite issue in this project in my main game was. That's something I've been working on. It was a damn setting that got outdated basically, and this whole time I've been struggling to see anything in it, and like I didn't have to. I could have just literally been like, oh, done. Instead I've been like messing with nanite on and off and doing stuff. So let's see. It should be, we're not gonna load the level. So I have... Oh, can I not place this? I think it's this one. Technically. So we have this tall one. The 60-meter tree. Jesus. I don't think I ever realized how tall that was. Like in the game, it's not that big. I shrink it. That's a tall boy. Because the normal one's like this big. Or was that big? They're all... I mean, they're pretty damn tall, but... like we have these, which are like those pine trees. But obviously, I made them and they're a little more complicated texture-wise, but... because I'm dumb. No, and then there's... What I was looking at, though, like this is one we can definitely take in. Is this like simple leaf thing. Those I already used, I think. Okay, we got... I'm looking for the right dang folder. Leaf bundles, so like that, yeah. Like those aren't bad. Where's the actual... Yeah, let's click that. Let's click back there. Yeah, we need to go... Oh, that's the actual folder there. Okay. So where's this? Where's my... Find me the bush. Okay, this is what I was trying to say. So I have stuff like this we could bring in. But then that kind of conflicts with the style a little bit, I feel like. Because we have these big like this, and I really like those. They're big and stupid. How's this window called Tools and Maps? This is a self-made thing. I know what it is. You saw this make game button and you're interested. No. So this is the editor utility widget that I just have on all my projects. I am working on a new one that I actually need to use and set to default, but this is one that's been here. But basically, I have this maps thing. It looks in the maps folder, generates all the maps. It does have an issue when you initially open a project, but it's just to make stuff easier to access, right? So like this is drag and drop. We can go like this, and you can see it's an actual tool. You can put these anywhere for the most part. And then what I do is I just hide the tab so I don't accidentally close it, and it saves some space. Oh, and there's an ad break. I'll finish when that's over. Oop. Come on. No, go to the right spot. There we go. All right, let's go this way. But yeah, I've been making one for like lighting presets and stuff like that. So I can just have a light selected, set it to a preset light. So I don't have to like go through each one. I know there's one here, the lighting window, but it's more, I want to save my presets to use everywhere. Or like, you know, a color we can set all the lights to. All right, but yeah, I don't think that works. See what other. I feel like we could probably use something like this, like one of these, and then just set it to a solid color. This one's messed up though. I don't know why. I don't know if that's meant to be like that. All right. I think the ad should be over. But yeah, hopefully you saw that. I'm not sure. Let me know. I think I explained it before the ad started, but I wasn't paying attention enough. So when it started. Yeah, that's weird. Why is this off? But yeah, I was thinking like we could take some of that. Take something simple. Like the simpler shapes. This is the one I was looking for. Was like, oh, nope, it's the same one. Okay. I knew it was a simpler, like we can change the alpha for it to try to get something nicer. Is what I was thinking. And then, but let's go models, nature. Ooh, this might be fun. We can bring these in. Like we have these large red things. Pretty sure they're just called large red things. Yep. Do they make sense? Nope. Are they a plant? Yep. Might not look as good when they're, you know, no normal on them or anything, but something. Flower we could probably bring in. Oh, that's the, wait, what's that? But yeah, no, so it's just an editor utility widget. Maybe you're still here or didn't hear me. Let's just import these vines. We can make these fun. Might as well. So let's, because we could just texture them, and we'll just have like a solid red whatever. And then that can be something the player has to break, right? Export. Projects. I'm pretty sure it's mindless. I'm not sure. Yeah. Hey, thanks for the follow. We're just gonna say meh. All right. Export that. We just want to. Yeah, so that should be models nature. It should go to the right spot. Is this not exporting everything? I gotta. Okay. 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 Last one. There we go. Oh yeah, and then like the tree hollow. I mean, honestly, this is one of those ones where it's like, I think this is simple enough. We could re-texture it to match the other textures, but I think it'd be easier just to remodel. I can use it as a guidance in the future if I want to make something like that. Oh, those are the imposters. Okay. Rocks and stuff I'm not worried about. I really was trying to... I just wanted to see the 3D stuff. Like mushrooms, all that we can redo. Twitch is better than YouTube for communicating with. How you doing? So you've been messing with... Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. The common UI to build your main menu. Specifically the common tab. I imagine that's common tab list space. Yeah. Have you been having an issue? I imagine. Normally when people bring it up. Oh, what the heck? Also, someone was talking on... I didn't realize someone was talking on YouTube. I'm streaming to both at the moment. But it looks like the thing's not working. I'm supposed to have where I at least can see both chats, but it didn't show me that, so I apologize for that. People talking over there. But yeah. Yeah. Well, for me, I do it just because it's one of those things where it's like some people don't like all the ads on Twitch, or they just have a YouTube already, and like, or they followed me for other stuff on YouTube, and I do game stream or dev streams normally. So, and now that Twitch allows us to do both, it's nice. But yeah, I definitely see Twitch more and all the things here. But yeah, gotta get those YouTube hours up, you know, some way. All right, now let's see. I feel like some of these we could probably import and color over, but I can... Yeah, exactly. That's the hope, at least. All right, anyways. But yeah, so what... Are you having an issue with what you're saying? The common list, or you just want to know how to use it? You can actually take a look at it. Let's see. Let's go to... Because it should work. I'm pretty sure that's one of the ones that works literally just like the standard... Right? No, I mean I'm off the rails. We were born away from off the track, okay? No, I was just in here looking for assets that I could move over from my main project to this little side project we're working on. We might move this and then like recolor it. So move the slimes. Because they're already set up. It'd be awesome. So we'll see. But yeah, while we wait for that to open, we'll import some stuff. Alright, so that should have moved to nature. Plants. Huh? Where did it go? Models, nature. You know what? Models, foliage. Nope. They went somewhere. I can tell you this much. I actually didn't pay attention to where they were. All fine. Also, let's assign a thing to this. So it's organized as a picture. So this is plant main. Let's save this before something happens. All right. So double check it. Widgets. Let's just go to common switcher B. It's already set up. And you said you're using the common list. I found the event for when a tab is selected, and so I can get the switcher active widget when that event fires. But it is not correct and will be index 1 behind the actual allegedly selected. Oh, it will be one index below after. Okay. I mean, you're starting at 0, right? Sorry. What is it? You said common list or... Oh, common... nope. Are you gonna be in here? It's a blueprint class? Oh. It's not a common UI thing? Gonna be in common UI? Yeah, it's common UI blueprint. Well, none of the common UI should be blueprint. It should all be widget class. So they all derive from widget class, but it still should be here. List. Is it common? I mean, do I need it here? Do I need to go like this, you're saying? Widget blueprint list. Common list. Okay, here we go. I got you. Yeah, that's weird. It should still show up right there. That's the funny thing. Base class for a list of selectable tabs. Activate, that correspondingly activate. Okay, so what is it based compared to just a list tab? List? Okay, so it's not a... That's interesting. So it's not based on a normal widget. I don't think I've looked at this. This is widget, common tab, base. Found something new to do. Okay, cool. Anything down? No. All right, how's this work? Okay. Next tab input. Cool. So we will just do accept and back. As in the comment. Yeah. No, I got you. I imagine it did. Since it's not... Okay, that's cool. You can auto listen for input. But either way, the only... Not even setting this up fully, the only error I would imagine is that... Are you accounting that it's starting from 0? Because when you do next tab, I imagine it's called like next or something, right? I don't even know what that. Tab list. Unless like you're creating something or removing it. Handle linker post change. Because I imagine this might change your actual setup. Yeah, okay, you're saying it's set up in there. The binding. Oh, you're binding something to it? Or are you saying to type binding? I overall more was saying on this, right? If I hit next tab, I guarantee it's gonna be the first binding. Bind event on tab selected. Oh, okay. I mean, I don't normally bind on anything. Binding's weird because it always listens to it then. But I'm saying it should automatically be there, I imagine. Let's see. Tab creation, tab removal. Handle pre-switcher change. Blueprint, okay. Either way. But yeah, let's open up the construction. Obviously, I mean the content example ones that you said to do. They'd probably do it like that, huh? I just don't bind things. That's gross. But it should be something similar like that. If you're saying it's always one index above, then you're accounting for probably from 1 and not 0. If you are accounting from 0, then I don't know what to tell you. Oh, god dang it. My content examples has to compile shaders. Because of course it does. So that makes sense. Okay. Let's see. Oh, now it's working. You don't know how to do it other than binding? I mean, most events, you can literally just call the... it's fine. Don't worry about how you're doing it. I was just saying I don't like binding. Alright, that's gonna take a minute. But, like, I still would go with, like, however you're binding it, however you're whatever. So you're binding on, we're just gonna do this. So event tab selected. Bind event on event tab selected. What does this give us? If we create an event. Okay, that gives us the tab ID. Based on that. So you're saying the tab ID is one ID before? For each tab. And the weird thing is, though, you're saying that you're using a on the event when a tab is selected, and so you can get the switcher. So the weird thing is the switcher itself. I don't know why you're. I guess the tabs is the way you're doing it. Like the tabs are UI that are just there, right? And then every time you're pressing it, like that's what I would need to know. Because like whatever your active switcher, that should be easy because it should be whatever's on your, like, or at least when I use a switcher, right? Like, however I get to the next page or the previous page. Tablets has an instance editable switcher reference. Okay. Yeah, no, that's what I was. Okay. Sorry. When I say yeah, no, I'm saying okay, yeah. Like, California. It happens. Okay. Yeah, no, I guess I'll have to wait and see what it looks like. But I don't think I've actually ever used it to, for this. You are, and you said your active tab is 0. Yeah, okay, I was just making sure. It's one of those things where it can be dumb. And you're saying it's always one event behind, or one index behind. That's why I was thinking like something's, you know, off by one. I mean, you know that, but I'm saying like in the dumb way of like either it's 0 or you're saying next and it's adding 2, or, you know, like depending on your binding, I would print it, make sure that it's only adding 1, or, you know, that it's starting from oh. Well, I found death. Yeah, I mean, it depends on how you make tabs. Are you trying to, so with the enhanced stuff, I don't think it's too hard, but I also just use widget switchers for my whole screen, basically, so I keep on anything inside the, so like, here, how do I don't have a, so let's say we have this, let's see, how do I want to draw rectangles, right? So I have my things here. I then have a whatever kind of UI in here. The UI that's down here is going to be in a widget switcher, right? Whatever. I then bind with enhanced input. Well, I don't bind, but I then have buttons where when pressed, because you can listen to button presses in widgets, it just gets the active switched widget from the widget switcher that all of these store in, right? I just keep drawing these, but the way it works is like it just keeps switching these. So I just store one value, I listen to my input, and then based on that input, the thing up here changes. So like depending on what your depending on what your thing is doing, you might not even need these tabs, but let's check them out. Because you can just store an active widget switcher, or just get active widget switcher and then do like the modulo, go back to 0. I'm not sure what the tabs would be. I mean, I say that, but at the same time, I do know what the tabs would be because it already has that set up. It has the listener set up to listen for gamepad input. Yeah, that's why I was saying it's like I do it that way because I did it before there was common input, common UI. So that's kind of cool. I mean, the only difference, I think, to that, I would say it feels like the only difference is instead of calling, here, let's see. So like tab list, you're saying? Right, so like the only difference would be instead of me doing this, because in my common UI, I automatically assign my enhanced, or I'm using enhanced input with my UI. I should say that for starters. So I literally just do this. I do my dude event, my action, right? Whatever it is, main action. And I just do this. And I do slot, you know, or get active. So it's not too crazy, but yeah, that's weird. That's cool that that does that. I mean, I saw that it did it in that it's in the class settings here. And that's cool because you can then automatically do the action bar if you want it displayed there, and you don't necessarily have to have a button or things that you're pressing. That's nice. I'm not bashing on it. I'm just going like that's the way I did it. So now I'm rethinking it all, rethinking my life choices. That's kind of cool. Okay. Whether for until revaluing to tabs list. So the interesting bit is how. like action, back, and then this is if we're not using enhanced input. I think it's this one. And then it's face button bottom. Auto listen. Okay, cool. So how do we, so like, I don't know. This is me stalling as I wait for this. Cool. No, I always like learning stuff, so that's great. This should be, and they have its own hall now. Can I spell? Today's the day we will learn. The answer is no. Okay, there it is. All right, let's see. You said something. Action domain. Big. Did this maybe? No, I don't know where it is. Available widgets. Game cloud. 1-1. Oh, 1-1. Okay. In the first one. This uses then? I don't think it does. I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure. No. Here's a gallery. Here we go. 1-3. Okay. Oh, is that what these tabs are? Yeah? Oh, weird. I just assumed they were buttons. Because that's all I would do. Is a button on clicked. Come on. Do it. Yeah, no, yeah, this doesn't use a list. Oh, here it is. Tab list. There we go. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, this is what I was missing. Okay, cool. And the graph, look how they register tabs. Yeah, no, I got you now. So this is what I was missing. Was the... I didn't see that part. That's actually pretty cool. How's it then named? Ooh, see, now I'm interested. Interesting. Okay. I was missing this part of like, how are we adding these? So why is that not? Hold on. When we made one, I most definitely did not see that. Because we're in a thing. But how did we... Okay, how do we then... So like a normal widget, we should be able to add it to. Tab. Why is it not listening it for me then? Is this... Look at that graph. Oh, is that what it is? No, I was just trying to make... I was trying to add it in the first place, right? Okay, so they do... So they make a base, and then they make that thing based on that base. Okay, cool. And then this... See, that to me, I'm like, you still got to do all this. Okay. Tab index, -1. That's why, right there. Probably. They have the same issue. No, I think they might, actually. Yeah. It's so it is what we were thinking, right? They have one. I'm thinking, even though it starts at 0, the array, right? Their system is set up. So I'm setting that tab and not, yeah. So I'm thinking what's happening is, like, even though they have it in their array as 0. They then are doing something in the back end that we could find that's setting it up to be, since it's a displayed variable, right? They do this a lot. Where they just, yeah. Oh, it's so tabs can wrap. Okay, that could be it too. I could just be, I'm just, who knows? All right, I'm just skipping ahead. But no, right here, it's so that tabs aren't above freaking, because they're pending this register tab. So whatever they register with, I think starts with 1. Oh, sorry. Set tab name. Get ID. Yeah. To me, this makes sense. So when they register a tab, find our registered tabs with our actions. The right tab action. Yeah. Yep. The tab name. Okay, so set tab name. It's basically a 4 here. And then we're saying add child. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so what I think is happening, I think it's literally, yeah, sorry about the ads. It's something I literally it's literally automatic. It sucks, I know. I have it on like the ads they recommend, because if I don't, what ends up happening is they actually end up playing random ads for you plus pre-rolls. And like, at least this way I know when the ad's about to start, but we were into this, I didn't even see it. They should be, it's every 30 minutes instead of every, 15, 20, like some streams. But that's why, yeah. But yeah, so I think this is it, right? Or at least it might be if you don't have this. Because this sets it to -1 of the element. Because this for loop. I was gonna say yes. If you didn't hear me, I said sorry about the ads. It's something I can't control. Because this for loop increases it by 1, right? Because the first loop is 1, even though it's 0 on the array. And then from there, you're off by 1. So that's why their tab index is, I would imagine, is why this is -1. But maybe I'm wrong. I might be, completely wrong on here. But that would explain why this one here, right? So that's how you get this one right. At starting at 1. Because maybe, I don't know if it's reading this for whatever you're trying to do. Or if you just copy pasted this. If you just copy pasted this, maybe you don't need the -1. I don't know. Hard to know with everything. But yeah, no, this is kind of cool. I mean, by kind of cool, I mean this is really cool. I didn't realize it was a thing. Like, it's one of the things where it's just like all common UI stuff. I think it's definitely not something, it's not taking over something that was hard to do, but it's making it very great. It's making it where you could very easily make something better than just if you had, standard adding. Because you're able to do a little more with this. So that's pretty cool. And then let's see. Let's because yeah, you could do even more with this. You could like. Oh, now I'm trying to think. Like you could probably honestly make the tab list based on. Like, I wonder if you could like. Oh, no, that's not. Buttons are fine. Is what I'm for what I'm thinking. But yeah, if it's just the name type of thing that you're getting from here, that would explain why you're +1. You didn't copy. No, I'm not. I mean, I don't care if you copy paste. It's epic example. You know what I mean? So you use the map of the index to button name. So there is a -1, but hey, there you go. Tabs are awesome. Yeah, no, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, no, definitely. Thanks for, I mean, honestly, thanks for asking about it. Because I obviously didn't know about it, but I'd rather look at this, and this is cool. We could figure something out together. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I guess I'll have to make, like, a common class for it. There was one other thing in the common UI that was like that, where I had to make a class, or not one, but there were multiple things, where I had to make a class where it didn't show up here, and I kind of, to me, it's like, that's so dumb. Let me just expand it and, like, bind something to it or something. But I understand why this one isn't, but at the same time, yeah, that's cool. So this is just a variable. Now I understand it. Of why, so this, like, that's why I was confused about, like, why don't you just use a widget switcher? That's why I was saying that, is like, but this itself, that's just a variable on this that we're then assigning to it as it's a child of that other class. So then we don't have to set up, like, hey, when we press this button, go to this switcher. We just automatically already have that set up. Makes sense. I like it. Thanks, Epic. Honestly, I still think my favorite one is literally just like the lazy textures. And that's because I don't use that many of the other fancy like switchers and stuff. Like the switchers are nice, the common switchers, but at the same time the normal one's also fine. But then they, so this is kind of cool. Like we can on tab creation do some fun stuff. Okay, we're fine. Yeah, so that's when I just assumed it was a button. I didn't actually look into it too much there. Now I'm like, what else did I miss? No, like visibility, stuff like that wasn't too bad. But yeah, so the other project I had opened was like, I imagine you came across, you mentioned YouTube, so like I know I have my streams on there where I was making I've been working on a like little template that has some of these things included, specifically for the enhanced input, because this only got one page, but I felt it needed more. But also this wasn't out yet when I first started making it, or thought of the idea like a year ago when I was supposed to start it. Yeah, let's see. That's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna write that that's like my to-do. Gotta remember to go back to that. All right. All right, we got a couple models done. So we got that done. We imported. Honestly, let's see. Did we find those damn? Where are those vines? Did I never find them? Fine. There we go. They're somewhere. I can tell you that much. Wait, are they literally in content game? What the heck? That's a new one. Oh, did I export instead of migrate? I think I did. Yeah. Okay, cool. Either way, that's fine. Let's see, nature, new, large. Really should name it something else. Large vine, move those. Okay, and then from there, I mean, honestly, you should be able to just, let's go here, let's go. Wait, do you know if there's a way to migrate without it deleting the files from the current project? It should never delete it when you migrate. Or do you mean like update this migration type thing? Like update the file that's already here? Because I would say I think you can't do that unless you actually export and connect the mesh. So that the editor is reading that static mesh. Unless I'm misunderstanding you. Alright, so let's see. Let's go. I think there was a way of, I think it has been doing that for me. Oh, weird. Oh, I think there might be a button actually. Now that you say it. Let's see. Well, hold on. Oh. When you migrate. Yeah, save. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, sure, whatever. Nope, never mind. I feel like there is a migrate though that removes it. Like there's some kind of I don't know. That's weird. Like it shouldn't. You should be. In the end, if all else fails, do what we all do. Now I thank you for coming in with it. Oh, that was great. Yeah, no, anytime, feel free. It's definitely something. Yeah, it shouldn't be deleting it. I was like, I don't know. Well, what I was about to say was, in the end, when it happens next, you could blame me. It's okay. Like, I know I'm not doing it personally, but like, basically, come on. You can. It's okay. Anytime the editor breaks on you, just be like, God damn it, Volk. Ah, you did it again. Freaking. As you're like, I already do that. What do you mean? Oh god, I forgot how to rotate. I mean, look, we're rank. Yeah, look at that. We're like the best modelers ever. Like main. Oh yeah, plant. Bam. Look at that. Who needs the reskin thing? We do it in engine. Look at these. Look at these dangerous vines. Yeah, the movement though is a no-go. No, we could literally do that though, I think, on all these. I feel like we need to do something on the color. But that's also something we could do this on, right? Like we could not this. We could do this where we just create an instance and do like where this instance is shifted. What the heck? What is that? Okay. You've got like the HLOD thumbnail for some reason. Let me say A. Darken up. But then also just do like a hue shift. Right? And do them that way. And then we just saturate. This needs to be moved down here. Yeah. That's trying to think like why would we just do that? We're gonna see the movement now. Eh? Ow. Cool. So yeah, that way we can just can't go this way now. We'll build kind of like the, I mean, we have it in the other one, right? Already. That's what I should have brought over, is the like danger, where it's all of these already combined into something. It's a blueprint already. Oh, don't crash. Whew. All right. Cool. We spent all that time making a thing, and I could have just made it easier. All right. Okay. Okay, you know what? Yeah, let's do this. Small plant. Nope. We're gonna go buildings. New. And this is a, I don't know. Outdoor. Yeah. And what we're gonna do is like, I figure out how big it should be. 2 meters? No. Maybe. Let's see. No, how big are these buildings? I mean, I guess I could just read it. I mean, there we go. Those are 4. So let's do 3 by 2. Like that. What? Please, edge. Edge. Okay. This is the space we're limited to. Oy. What I'm thinking. Gonna be guess how tall is Milo in the... How tall is a door? I gotta remember, like, to stylize it, right? Like, alright, if a door is that tall, then yeah, we can... Shelf can be a meter high. And then let's do like... like that. Nah. Yeah, I'm thinking just like wooden shelves, right? Obviously. Hopefully, obviously. Yeah, something like that, give or take. And let me do this. Also, there will be an ad in 5 minutes on Twitch. I solved this time. First time. We'll get one out of the, you know, whatever. I'm out. Right. That counts for something. Also, we can just start using the array. Why am I not using the array modifier? Or mirror? Instead, I'm just manually going like, let's manually change this so that later we have to change both sides. Something like that is what I'm imagining. And then, yeah, I'm thinking it's more storefronty. So we'll do like that. Sorry. I'm almost thinking of then still having like a roof over it somehow. Like maybe these extend up. And it leaves like an enclosed space. Like this could be... something like this where this goes up. Leaves a little door for the guy. Right. And then have like a shelving space over here. Like have something. Have something on this side. It'd probably be roughly that. We'll say that's the supplies and stuff. Maybe do like an actual shelf there. And that would also support that. Again, okay. What is on here versus not on here? Okay, let's do this. Boom, boom. Join. Join. Has anyone been watching the Percy Jackson series? It's freaking awesome. At least if you read the books and stuff. I mean, even if you didn't, it's awesome compared to like the... I always liked the movie. They weren't too bad, but... I don't know, I always like the Greek mythical fantasy stuff. There's just a lot of cool stuff there. Oop. Alright. Let's do this properly. It only took me, the whole time. Alright, mirror. Perfect. And then what I'll do is like maybe get those little like I already made some like buckets, or not buckets, whatever they were, whatever you want to call them. Maybe we reuse those as like a thing. You know what? This also doesn't have to be 3 meters. We could do this where we say we expand this face. Like it's only that much space, 2.5. And then like fill this gap with something is the thing. Yeah. Thinking something like that. And then we'll do like a tarp on top or something. But we make it from this. Oh crap, I can't. Yeah. I guess we could. We could go like this. Hold on. Oop. Have this go all the way up. And we'll build like something for the top. Whatever he's selling, right? Like, oh, this could be the sign too. Like, do like this. And then he's got like a little. Say little wood log. Wood sign. Put something on it. Let's try it. I just want to see scale wise, so that's what I'm thinking about right now. So let's go here. Let's see what the scale is. So outdoor shop. And this outdoor shop. Making all this stuff, like for me, I don't even know if I'm gonna keep all of it in. Oop. I think some of it just comes down to like wanting to learn how to do this style of stuff. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's figure out building or shop. Hey, how's it going? Is it Mochi? All right, let's see. Yeah, that's not too bad of a. I want this to be like look like a portable shop, right? Like this dude comes into town, leaves town, type of deal, right? Is what I was thinking. Like this is gonna be the random. He sells you random stuff. Maybe he's not even in town, right? Yeah, roughly that. I'm thinking we can make it a little wider by moving that over, and then we'll make it a little. I like the size almost. I think that the thing I'm not liking is this, the backwards. So maybe we do 3x3. Make it fit on a grid. So we'll do like or and a half, right? Like because then it seems larger. So this would go there. We'll keep this at the end like we have. Then what if I do this and say keep this? Even if it's just that, I think. Ooh, that kind of it. That's nice. Get a little more space. That's why I was thinking half. So if we do 2.5 right here, we then can do yeah, right now I'm just trying to figure out random stuff, kind of, basically, right? Like, we're just kind of going as we go. There we go. And then in it, we'll just fill with boxes we already have. See. So height-wise, probably lift it a little bit. So, and then we can play the camera. Like, let's do that. I think these can be tilted up. And just build some of the style into it as we build it. Maybe do like a rope here to here. And then if we're gonna have something on top, then we'll do something like this. Yeah, okay. Okay, set aside it. Even if it is gonna be transparent or whatever the heck we decide. To all of this. Right at 2 meters. Okay. Probably make that a little taller. Like, do that as a thing. A little room, and then this probably will be something that can actually be seen through, or at least partially, right? It doesn't matter that much. Like, I'm not gonna figure it out all right now. You know, I'm just trying to. and we're just trying to block it out. That's something. Gives me a nice like silhouette and stuff as well. I think I was gonna say we might just do like a. What if there's just like another shelf above him? We could do like a mesh or something. Maybe like a fabric. Then it's just like, okay, how do I draw a fabric that's see-through? Like simplistic. I don't know. See. Because if it was something like cloth or something that we draped over, we could just do this. Right, have it where it's like an actual little thing. Maybe drape it down the side, whatever. I don't know. Still something we might try. We'll see. I never know with these things. Hit export. There we go. All right, so that is a. Oop. There we go. Yeah, how's that look? All right. Cool. Okay. Okay. What's this? All right. We're getting there. I need to bring in my like fence tool to like control these. Kind of silly at this point. I'm manually placing fences. I even have a spline mesh tool or something. Alright. Okay. I feel like I want to model a little thing here. That's what this was supposed to be, was like the original like exit to the town is up here for me. And then it's supposed to be like cliff sides and other stuff on the side. At least in my head, yeah. Maybe we make this 2 paths up, or this also goes here, right? Just other stuff along the way. Discover. And this will just be a path. Okay, cool. See. Oh yeah, I need to do these, right? That's material. Here we go. This will make up here at least look one of those, like, I at least wanted to, then in my brain I can like start concepting and like understanding the space of like, okay, this goes here, then this is gonna do this, and this does this. Like oh man, what was I gonna say? We'll do like, I think it actually is gonna be more like something like this, right? There's gonna be a very linear little path we can go on from here. And it's gonna be like a little straight, and then this way, so that we're avoiding behind the houses, so that the player can't jump on them, type of thing. And then we'll have this roped off, or not roped off, but you know, we'll have it blocked off where the player can't get to. So like this will be, this will be like a cliffside. Possibly thing. You enter the forest. Put trees and stuff up there. But we'll also, main thing is this will probably be moving up where we were, so that we're getting above everything. All right, let's go smaller. Have it at the moment. Sometimes I just like spitball and thinking about how everything will go together. nice thing is, as long as we add height, then we can remove it, right? Then we can get past an area. And also block things off from view. Because, like, the player doesn't need to see that when they're up here, which we won't. We especially won't now, though. Like, or if we do, it's very little. Probably actually go like this. Here. Like some little loop-de-loop. Thing as well. That way we can see it from behind. Once us climbing up a little hill. Put the hill here. Right. Whole hillside. Cool. And this will be officially the exit. Somewhere over here. Right. Do a little. Yeah, see, that looks pretty cool. I'm liking it. We'll have just like a player that stops you, or something, you know, like not a player, but a character that stops you here. From going until it's time, until you have everything, blah blah blah, you know, normal game stuff. Or like something's blocking it, etc., that we can't unlock until later. Perfect. Oh yeah, we had done this tree as well. I need to kind of figure out a version of this. That wouldn't be too bad. Like, have a cool like little background, and then we got this because our line trace. So we'll just be easing in and out of being able to view more of that background. So it kind of makes it where we can actually start to get a sense of scale. Nice. Cool. I like these little, you know, little detail things that matter not at all right now, but all right, cool. We got that. Alright. We should make it where like we limit the exits to the actual town. I think like right here So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, like one in each direction. And then the one up here, obviously you can get 2 from 2 areas, but so like this isn't a direction here. This has got to be closed off. Which is fine. Ain't no problem with that. Maybe this. Oh. Or we use something like this. Ugh. Oh, hey. Hello there. How goes it? Why, thank you. Good, yeah. You thinking of PvP time tonight or just chilling game dev? Yeah, I was going to. I was waiting for anyone to get on. Normally you haven't been playing. Been having to wait for like plot doesn't get on until 9. And then the other one, who knows? Just go. No, I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, I never know your days. That's what I'm saying. Like, I never know your days of like you're wanting to play. That's alright. Freaking oh, nice. Fun. Slow man. He's been randomly getting on at like midnight, or our time, midnight. And it's like, what are you doing on? Like, this is the only time you get. Why don't you get on when we're actually playing? Like 3 hours ago. Yeah, oh yeah, no, I understand why. It's just one of those, like, now you get on. I see how it is. But yeah, no, I was actually just finishing up. And then we drop a nuke and destroy this whole world. But yeah, I've been streaming for 3.5 hours. Yep. Nice. Thank you. I need that. Yep. Sounds good. Yeah, I'll probably be like 20 minutes. All right. So, do out here. Oh, what's the style? And it's this for now. Oh, gross. Wait, why can't I? There we go. I was like, I don't have a little selection thing. We are building this terribly. Don't ask questions. Questioning is illegal. Alright, so this is where I was saying I want to actually I probably should build a tool for this. And by that I mean I'm yelling at myself, why haven't I built a tool for this? Because it would be easy on the corner pieces. On the splines themselves. If the angle is over X, whatever value we decide. Oh, and ads. Okay, so I need a version that I can change the thing on the outside. Yeah. So this that way. Right. So if we had a 180 I thought I made one, but it could just be that this one matches the outside. Yeah. Okay. But basically, this will add a little depth, right? Like this will. Oh. What? Oh, we hit play. We're in the opposite side of the map. That's funny. I was so confused for a second. Because then we get the separation though, so like that's the goal, right? So we need to start using the fence tool or whatever to place these. And then it's supposed to have like a half step. So this is supposed to go down half. So it should be like 5 right there. Because that way this side is even, right? When that side is even, that means it's the correct amount down. Which is about that. And so what we'll do, right, and so this and have a corner. I turn snapping on, please. That might be the small. But still. So yeah, these should all be instances of stuff and all that, instead of creating new ones and messing stuff up. And this can be grass. Come on. It'll be fine. Oh god. Do we have the fence tool? Build tools. No. Alright, let's save this. Oh, I already had this open. We can import it over. Let's see. There should be spawners, maybe. No. Another wall tool. Wall generator. And then wall gen. Oh, I think both use H-logs, right? Yeah, this uses H-log, this uses H-log, okay. Yeah, so wall gen is one that needs to move over. So export, no. Migrate. Ensure content. There we go. So basically, this one, what it is like, let's say we have a mesh that's 100. Let's just add anything. So Apple. Right. So this will create one apple every 100. And if it's a wall tool, it goes up and down in one way. Because it's, you know, get the height of a wall. If it is on is-z, it actually, when that's off, you make floors. That should be named is floor. Or is wall. But that way we can just do this to generate it, and it will be instance meshes, and then we can just combine them if we need to, or do whatever. But just spawn them all like that, right? No need to do all sorts of craziness in there to, you know, generate other stuff. And okay, and then the content line. Line actor. Is a spline itself, okay. So this does a spline, but this is not a mesh, I don't think. Yeah, no, this one's nothing. Okay. Okay, cool. I was gonna say we have this. This is like some farming content that I started making. We could probably use that for some stuff. Okay. Either way, I gotta make dinner and then do some other stuff. We've been streaming a while. Don't want another ad to start. I think I'm gonna call it for now. My plan is to stream more. I keep saying that, but it is. We're slowly getting the idea of what this game is gonna be, and it's there. But yeah, thank you everyone for the resubs and all that. If you haven't already, hit that follow button or subscribe if you're on YouTube. And yeah, you can also, hopefully this message works, join the Discord or follow me these places, maybe, if that's correct. Ugh. Got the hiccups. Anyways, yeah, thanks for stopping in. I'm hoping to stream again Monday around the same time. We'll see how things work out, but that's the plan for right now. Knock on wood. Hopefully it will happen. And yeah. Night, everyone. Or you know what? Hold on. On Twitch side of things. Is there anyone live that I can raid? Nope, that's it.